the first time ever my daughter Adya, who's 11-year-old, is going to be doing my makeup, and let's get started.
So my mother has applied moisturizer already, so I'm going to start with applying a foundation.
May I wear this?
Oh yeah, sure. I
Okay.
forgot.
Okay. So yes.
So first I'm going to start applying a foundation from Dior, as you guys can see.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay, first you could first put the dots all over, then blend with the brush, okay?
Okay.
Wow. Do you like makeup?
No.
You don't like makeup. So how do you know how to do makeup?
I just see you.
You see me? You see me there. In my channel.
Yeah. I'm done.
What about my neck? Okay. Okay, that's the foundation brush. Okay, so what else?
Right now you look like a ghost.
I am so sure when the final look arrives, it will be pretty similar.
Yeah.
Are you sweeping the floor? You're sweeping my skin.
I'm going to cover these dark circles you have.
I have dark circles because you guys don't let me sleep.
Okay, next we apply, I guess.
I think I don't need this rubber band here.
So this is the powder from Huda Beauty to set the skin, I guess so.
So you can take the same brush
Okay, so we use the same brush we use for.
and then you dust the powder away because less is more.
But I like more. Okay, so we have to apply it all over the face, right?
It's a lot.
Good for your face.
My face.
Okay, here we go. And next step is to use.
Okay, it's okay. You can cherry later. Next, fast.
Next step is to use this shape tape from Tarte. I guess so.
She's going to use the shape tape after the powder. Wow.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe.
So where all you use this concealer?
I think we use it here,
Okay.
here,
Okay.
and then we use it in the nose,
Yes.
and then we use it here.
No. No.
And then we use it over here. And then we use it over here.
It's not a ball paint. It's my face. A gentle reminder.
And then we use the same brush. Okay, gently, guys.
You can use the circular strokes also if you wish. But that's it.
Okay. Next eye, it covers all the dark circles. And then
Or makes them, highlights them. In this case. She's.
Okay. So
When are you going to have a makeup masterclass? I would like to attend. My hair and my neck.
okay. So this is done. After this, we add I think blush because
Okay.
it's the favorite part. So I'm using Kiko blush thingy, and it has 3 shades in it. So I'm going to use this brush, and I'm going to mix.
Okay, I'll be a little faster now.
I'm going to mix all of them.
Yes, and then blow out the extra. Okay, that's like, okay, war paint.
Okay, and then we use it over here.
5 minutes, done. Okay, that's it. Blush is done.
Okay, and next we use.
Would you like to contour?
Yeah, I like to contour. So I use Anastasia contour kit, and here we go. So it's mostly used because she uses it a
Yeah.
lot apparently. So we use this brush, and I'm going to think.
You also have a contouring brush.
Oh yeah. So I think
Both
I'm.
sides.
I'm gonna use this shade.
That's not for contour. Just like you mix these three.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix these.
But that's it. That's
three.
like a lot.
And
Yeah.
apply it over. Yeah.
Oh.
So cute. Oh yeah, and then we just shade it.
Apply.
Okay, she looks pretty good. And next, I'll take Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette. And here we go.
No, I thought you were doing from.
Oh yeah, I'm going to use Tarte for this one. It's super cute. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to use this brush. I guess one.
For.
Your eyes.
Why don't you use this brush?
Yeah. 7 minutes.
Fast.
Okay, so next I'm going to take. Oh, sorry. Next I'm going to take
Pink color.
this shade with this.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. She looks ridiculous. No fun.
Okay, done. Next eye.
And then next eye, I'm going to take.
Next eye. I think I can hear the fire alarm. Is it because you're doing my makeup?
Excuse me, that's offending.
Offending. My final look sure would be offending. Next, I'm gonna do your makeup.
Okay.
Okay, you are not facing the camera at all, so you also have to be in the camera. Don't show your back. People should see this famous makeup artist, Adya.
And then later, the Quick Flick Perfect Wings.
I'll open it for you.
Thank
can.
you. Okay, so the first eye. So what you do is basically.
Yeah, it's okay. You can just apply.
Stand.
It's okay.
Okay, so you basically.
Is it the right or the left? Yeah, it's the left. Yeah.
So basically stamp over here.
And then you line, outline
So
the rest. How quick and easy.
this-
Okay, that's the most Halloween part. That after this, if nobody is able to recognize me, is it modern right to give a disclaimer after what's gonna happen to me? Say hi, Kushagra. Okay, that's our camera person. Hi, baby. And that's the right and left side. Thank you.
Yeah, that's the next time.
Left side. Okay.
Okay. You look the best woman in the world.
You are the best makeup artist
Thank you.
in the whole world. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm gonna do the eyelashes
This is
because
okay.
that's the favorite part. Okay. Let's do this. Why are you shaking? Because of you.
Okay, done.
And then the next time, you look so nice. Okay, and then next we use
Eyebrow.
eyebrow thingy. Okay, so I'm using Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil.
10 minutes.
and then we're going
No, okay, so this is the brush, you have to use a pencil.
Yeah, I'm going to use a pencil first.
Which mom?
Get this.
Which mom always use?
Ouch! You haven't opened it!
Wait, I have. Oh.
She's hurting my brows.
Okay, I'm going to do this high. I mean, this high. It's going to be perfect.
Yeah, just a little bit strokes, that's it.
No, I need to complete.
Mom likes this a lot. Goof proof.
That's it, baby.
That's
Okay.
11 minutes.
Okay.
11 minutes.
Then use the thingy
Okay.
to like shade.
She's given me the best brow tutorial, guys. Okay.
And then next we use.
The lip color and then the highlighter.
Okay, so I think I'm going to use this lip color, which is Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick. Let's start.
Okay, so you never go outside the lip color.
No, it's my makeup artist. You look perfect. You're cheating. Okay, and then I use a darker color which is Note Matte Moist Lip Gloss. Let's go.
Let's go.
No, we're not using two colors. It's done. Now highlighter, please.
Okay. Okay, we're going to use Jennifer Lopez Inglot
Highlighter. And where's the highlighter brush?
Do you know how to open that? I know. You just slide that thing.
Okay,
I'll help
can you help me with that?
I know it. Mama bought it from Inglot that day.
So, which
Yeah,
one?
so you take these three highlighters. And where do you apply the highlighters? Basically.
Oh, I know this.
That's it. We don't need more.
Okay.
That's the fan brush.
No, you
No,
just
that
apply it
much.
on the tip of the cheek brow bones, both the sides, and on the nose tip. And that's it. Okay. Would you like to correct my brows, please, from whatever you've done?
Okay, wait, we missed this. We missed primer, eyeshadow primer portion.
We don't need it after the makeup is done. So I think we are pretty much done now.
Wait, we need to use this.
Fixer spray.
No.
Yeah, we can't fix this makeup right now.
Okay.
And thank you so much, guys. So this was wonderful. Stay tuned for more and more videos. And very soon I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on Adhya's makeup. Wait for the best. Your turn's coming soon. Say bye. And if you like this video, give it a
Thumbs up.
and subscribe to.
My mother's channel. It should reach to 10.
What is the channel called?
Garima Bhandari.
On YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Garima Bhandari Official, and stay tuned for more videos. It should reach.
It should reach
What are you saying?
2 lakh.
2 lakh. Wow, that's the target. 2 lakh. Bye.